How many people does it take to plunge one toilet?
One platoon.
How many?
One platoon.
A full platoon?
Yes, full platoon.
How do you feel about the fact that he brought 15 of us up here to plunge one toilet?
I think you're being gay again.
It's a real motherfucking error. Put that on the recruiting video. Shut your lips!
Put that picture of that girdle.
Put this in the motherfucking recruiting video, motherfucker.
Okay.
Put this on your recruiting video, you punk bitch. Infantry leads the way.
Infantry, oh!
Infantry leads the way. Oh shit, that's what I fucking come back home.
Everybody was thinking about
He wants to do it the fuck Look at it! Look at it! Get a picture!